Good morning. It's Saturday morning here in the gym, and we've got an active rest day today. Today we'll be doing our ab burner routine, 15 1-minute core exercises. It's a Pilates routine. So I think I've explained before, we've started it several months ago, and we started at a reasonable amount of time per move, and cut it back basically to 30 seconds per move. It's 15 1-minute moves normally. We cut it down to 15 30-second moves. The moves are back to back, no rest between. So it's fairly intense when you first start. If you don't have an exercise or done a lot of core exercises, it's pretty intense if you try to do each one for a minute. I mean, I have a hard time even now. It's not easy to finish all 15 moves, and that's after several months of slowly increasing, 5 seconds at a time every 3 or 4 weeks. So anyway, we have the ab burner routine, then we'll head out on a walk. Today's a really short day, just a day to stay active and get the blood pumping a little bit, and of course working our abs today and doing the core exercises. So that's good for me. So I'm gonna keep on doing it. So we gonna do this, and then like I say, we're gonna head out on a walk, then we'll come back and chat. So got the mat laid out. We'll set this up and get her going. Let's do it. All right, 2026 cycle 3 is done. We are done with that. So yeah, the ab burner, it's getting pretty manageable. So yeah, getting a good workout out of it. I'm really focusing in and honing in on different moves. I didn't this week, but I think starting next week, I'm gonna pick a move and make sure I totally get it right. So I think the first 3, I'm pretty good. I don't have them all memorized. The single leg lifts, the double leg lifts, all the way through that. That's first 5 moves I'm pretty good with. Let's see, the scissors. The scissors, I know I kind of lag on. I think that's the 6th move, where you're one leg in the air, one leg flat on the ground, and you're kind of holding the leg in the air up with your hands. Those, I kind of have my leg bent. I'm gonna have to look up how to do those. So I think maybe I'll focus on that one. Try to get it. It's technique honed in. So we'll start honing in on the technique of each one of these moves. And of course, things like the 100, and the 100's more manageable this time. The lower lift, I got 25 lower lifts. So I think in a minute, I don't know how many more I can do. I can probably work on, probably better than doing more is working on the technique and making sure I'm doing the move right. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, is kind of focus on the technique. So anyway, so we got her done. Final week, week 6 of 2026 cycle 3, which was an incremental phase where we increased the load from week 1 to week 6 by some poundage, either 5 pounds or 10 pounds, except for pull-ups, which were assisted. So I reduced assistance each week a little bit. So anyway, so now we'll take an active rest week, and could usually call that week 0 before we head into 2026 cycle 4. I'm not sure what 2026 cycle 4 holds for us yet. We will see, we will see. But I got some time off from work and we'll be traveling a little bit, so I'm not sure that 2026 cycle 4 will start immediately. We might do some in-between stuff. I don't know what we'll call that kind of week, week X maybe, or something like that. But anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great weekend. Take care, be safe. This is Sojourner Vision, and we're out. See ya.